Hi loves, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Betty, of course, and today we are revealing the 2K giveaway winner.
Short straw, I'm ballin'. 20 of the spies are calling. When we let it slide, is it cool?
So guys, I've decided that I want to start off all my videos moving forward with a positive quote in the beginning. I feel like a lot of people out here are going through a lot, and if I can make a difference in someone's day, I'll be more than happy to do that. So I want to start off all my videos moving forward with a positive quote. My boyfriend is taking a shower. I don't know if y'all could hear it, but I do apologize for that. Today's positive quote is, when you focus on the good gets better. I want you guys to soak that into your brain, because I know a lot of us out here, we're going through a lot. Just a positive reminder for you today. When you focus on the good gets better. Okay? So keep focusing on the good. Everything will work out the way you want it to. Everything will, everything will work out. Don't worry too much. Don't stress yourself. You have to understand that this is life. Obstacles are going to come in your way. All you have to do is, baby, you got to kick that obstacle up the butt and move along. That's what you got to do. Just keep going. So today, as I said, we are going to announce the giveaway winner. And let me show you guys what I have for the giveaway winner today. My little cute pink box, of course, and these are the items that are going to be in the box for the winner. I have the neon orange savings challenge. They have a $5 saving, a $10 saving, a $20 saving, a $25 saving, a $15 saving, and a $50 saving. So this is going to be what the winner is going to get. We also have, this is called, I think I named this Sunflower and Beehive. The Sunflower and Beehive Savings Bundle. We have 425 challenge, 450 challenge, 360 challenge, 400 challenge, 600 challenge, and $220. So they're also getting this along with one of the new dashboards. And this one says Budget Baddies, and they're getting a Budget Baddie dashboard. They are laminated, by the way. Another thing, because I'm all about self-care, because I know sometimes we be forgetting to take care of ourselves, so I also have a sleep mask, because we need our beauty rest. Isn't this cute? So they're also getting a sleep mask along with, these are sheet masks for your face. This is a pack of 3 sets. It's the Hello Kitty. What is this Hello Kitty? No, it's My Melody. It's a My Melody themed sheet mask. So get your face together, girl. Get your face together. So we have the sheet mask, all for self-care, okay? And last but not least, we do have a beginner's binder. So our giveaway winner is getting a beginner's binder, sheet mask, a sleep mask, a dashboard, and 2 challenges. So let us go into our circle and let us pick the winner. Okay, I'm excited. I always get excited around giveaway time because I love giving back. I love to give back. Thank you guys so much for 2K. I am so excited. You guys have me growing so fast, I can't even keep up. But let us touch on the wheel. Oh, by the way, we're also doing a little savings challenge stuffing in this video as well. So after the giveaway, please stay tuned. We are going to stuff our savings challenge binder. So this is our circle. Let me zoom in. This is our circle. Let me see if I give it a darker background. So let's give a shout out to Yvette Gandy, Acacia Carter, Alicia Artez, All This and That. I think it's All This and That Budgets. Annabelle Money Move, Big Queen Budgets, Blossom Parkinson, Budget and Plan, Budget with Bunby, Bunny, Bun Me. I hope that is correct because the auto text, we just auto text and then put it in whatever it wants. Candice Perilla, Candice Ward, CC, Diamonds Budget, Doris Jameson, Fredericks. I know this is wrong. I just know it's wrong. Frederica, I think it is. Letice, Jeanne Budgets, Gina Hazlitt, Jay Cepeda, Janessa Gordine, Jess on a Budget, Jessica Mildrew, Latoya Joe, Martika, Michelle Lockhart, MK Miracles, Patricia B, Rainier Malay, Rochelle Go Parish, Rolo, Renomi 4. I hope that is cool. Listen, look, Samantha Gray left out the end. Sandra Ticker, Shalicia White, Sheba Brown, The Nightlife, Tiffany 80s Dream, Verlin Burr, Victoria Green, and Yvette Gandy. Thank you guys so much for commenting on the video and entering the giveaway. Now we are going to tap that screen and let this thing spin. Let's see who is the 2K giveaway winner. Let's check it out. Oh, Blossom! The winner is Blossom Parkinson in the house. Blossom, baby, congratulations. Thank you for entering the giveaway. You know what to do. Reach out to me on my Instagram, Baddies in the Bag, to send me your information so I can ship you your package. But this, I love doing the giveaways, y'all. Love the giveaways so much. So thank you, Blossom. Reach out to me, girl, so I can pack you your stuff. Let's jump right into the savings challenge stuffing the rest of the video. All right, guys, we are finishing up on the $200 saving challenge, I think. Yes. So let's see how much money we have today to add to the challenge. These are tips that I've received from my clients. So let's see so far. So today we have $70 to add to our $200 saving challenge. So let's do that. These challenges are going by so fast. I'm so happy. And I can't wait for them to be finished so I can jump into the rest of my cute ones that I put up. You guys could check these out on my website. I'll put the link in the description below if you're interested in purchasing saving challenges. So $70, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 tens. Y'all see this? We almost done. We are almost completed. 2 more circles and our 200 challenge is complete. Nice. Y'all see this? Y'all see me? If you haven't started on saving challenges as yet, baby, I don't know what you're doing with your life, but you have to start. They are so fun, so addictive, and you're saving money. So get into it. Get into it, baby. So let's shade these in. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Guys, how far are you guys on y'all challenges? Because I know a bunch of you guys did purchase challenges from the website. I want to know the progress. I want to know what's going on. I want to know how far you guys are. Y'all not give me no updates. Is it working for you? Is it not working for you? Nobody updated me on anything. Everybody kind of just quiet over there. Y'all quiet. Like, I need updates, y'all. 60, 70. All right, so let's see. Now we are at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we have $180 in our $200 challenge, and we only need $20 more and it's complete. So we definitely gonna complete this month and move on to the next. So that's it for challenges. That's it for the video. Blossom, remember to reach out to me on Instagram to claim your winnings. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for all the support you guys have give, and I am so blessed. I'm feeling happy. I am over excited and over thankful for all the support you guys have given me. But thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count